Okay, again another question from means radiation part of the thermal properties of matter. A spherical body with radius 12 centimeter radiates this much of power at this much. That's this Kelvin. So what is the formula for radiation of heat? That is heat radiation rate of heat radiation is equals to sigma a t to the power 4. This is the formula, right? Sigma a t to the power 4. But here the body is in spherical shape, so sigma into 4 pi r square into t to the power 4. This is the formula. Now the relation is like the radius were halved and temperature doubled. Then what will happen? So basically we need to find out the relationship of this rate of heat transfer with what? With radius and with temperature. You can see that all these terms, all these three terms, 4 pi sigma is constant. So I can say ki h is proportional to r square t to the power 4. That means h1 by h2 is equals to r1 square by r2 square into t1 to the power 4 by t2 to the power 4. Now if you put all the values from collecting from the question, then h1 by h2, right? H1 by h2, what was its power? Acha. Okay, its power initially was 450. See why I am putting 450 in place of h, because h means rate of heat transfer is the joule per second, and you know joule per second means watt, and power is also having unit watt, right? So h1, if I put 450 divided by h2, which we need to find out, is equals to basically radius were halved, means if radius was r at first, then it is r by 2 now, so r by 2 whole square into, and temperature is doubled. So initially if temperature was T, so temperature is doubled means 2T whole to the power 4 is equals to okay, r square by r square into 4. So r square basically will cancel, and this 2 square means 4 will go at the numerator, and into 1 by 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is simply 16, so you will get 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4 from here. So what we are getting this kind of things, that 450 divided by h2 is equals to 1 by 4. So value of h2 is 450 into 4. 450 into 4 means 1800. 1800 watt. So this will be the power radiation if radius were halved and temperature is doubled. Okay, so in that situation means radiating power will be quadrupled, right? So it will be 4 times the initial value. So this is the main concept behind this question. I think you have no doubt in this question. If you have, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this numericals. Thank you.